Good morning, student. Today class we are discuss about unit number 1, application of matrices and determinant. In this chapter we are discuss about the topic Grammar's rule. Exercise 1.2. Solve the following equation by using grammar rule. Question number 3. 2x plus y minus z equal to 3. X plus y plus z equal to 1. And x minus 2y minus 3z equal to 4. There are three equations are given. So what are the three equations? 2x plus y minus z equal to 3, x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y minus 3z equal to 4. So what are the variables here? X, y and z are variables. So first to find out the value for delta value. How to find out the value for delta? In the first row, replace the coefficient of x, y and z. So coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of y is 1. Okay, there is no number means what is the value here? 1. Coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of z is minus 1. So 2, 1, minus 1. 2, 1, minus 1. Next one, second row. What is the second equation here? X plus y plus z. What is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of y? 1. What is the coefficient of z? 1. So 1, 1, 1. Third equation, x minus 2y minus 3z equal to 4. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of y? Minus 2. What is the coefficient of z? Minus 3. Now to find out the value for delta value, this determined value to find out the value for determined value, that is for delta value. So we know how to find out the value for delta. So what is the first element? 2. 2 into neglecting the first row and first column. 2 into neglecting the first row and first column. So what are the remaining terms here? 1, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Neglecting the first row and first column, remaining element is 1, 1, minus 2, minus 3. So what is the diagonal element? 1 and minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus of minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Already one minus is here. So we get for plus 2. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus of 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So we get for plus 2. Next one, how to find out the for return value? Plus, minus, plus. First term we are taking for plus only. Next one, minus. Minus of, minus. What is the element here? 1. 1 into. Here 1. We are expanding the determinant along the first row. So here minus 1. This minus is here. Minus of. Here what is the value? Plus 1. So neglecting the first row and second column. First row and second column. What is the remaining element? 1, 1, 1, minus 3. 1, 1, 1, minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus of 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3, minus 1, we get the value for minus 4. We get the value for minus 4. Next one, what is the last term here? Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. Now neglecting the first row and last column. First row and last column. What is the remaining terms? 1, 1, 1, minus 2. Diagonal element 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus of 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 1. So 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. This minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, we get the value for minus 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So 2 into minus 1 into minus 4, we get the value for plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 3, we get the value for plus 3. So finally we get the value for 5. So this delta value equal to 5. This value is not equal to 0. This value is not equal to 0. So the grammar rule is applicable for the given question. So we can apply the grammar rule and solve the system of linear equations. So delta x equal to what? In the delta x, replace the first column. In delta, what is the delta? 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 3. How to find out the value for delta x? Replace the first column. Delta x means replace the first column. Instead of first column, replace the value. What is the constant term given here? 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Replace the first column 3, 1, 4. Next one, in delta y means, in delta y, replace the second column 3, 1, 4 from the given delta value only. Don't replace the value for delta x. You can delta y you are finding means from the delta only you can replace the second column. Replace the second column. What is the second column here from the delta? 1, 1, minus 2. You can replace the value for 3, 1, 4. And delta z. Delta z means delta value here last column. What is the value? Minus 1, 1, minus 3. And replace the value for the last column. What is the last column given here? 3, 1, 4. That is the constant value. You can replace the value for last column. And to find out the value for the delta x, delta y and delta z. So how to find out the value for delta x? What is the first element? 3. 3 into neglecting the first row and first column. First row and first column. What is the remaining element? 1, 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus of minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Already one minus here. So we get for plus 2. We know how to find all the values in the first exercise itself. We are already discussed about in the first exercise 1.1. So we know that how to find out the value for delta x, delta y and delta z. That is for expanding of determinant. We know that it is for 3 by 3 determinant and also 2 by 2 values. Also we know how to expand, and 3 by 3 determinant also how to expand. We already know that. So what is the first one here? 3. Neglecting the first row and the first column, remaining element is 1, 1, minus 2, minus 3. So we get the value for 1 into minus 3, minus of minus 2 into 1. We get the value for here, already 1 minus, we get for plus 2. Plus, next one minus. So you can choose for minus 1. Neglecting the first row and the second column. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. So next one, last value is minus 1. Minus 1, neglecting the first row and the last column. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus of 4 into 1, minus 4. So simplify this one. What are the value here? 3. Here value is 3. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4, we get for minus 6. So 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 7, plus 7. Minus 1 into minus 6, plus 6. Simplify this value, we get the value for delta. Similarly also you can find out the value for delta y, delta y we get the value for minus 5, and delta z also we get the value for 0. Delta z value is 0. So to find out the value for x, y and z, x is equal to what? X is equal to delta x divided by delta. Delta x value what? Delta x value 10. Delta x value is, from this value, delta x value is 10. Divided by delta value what? Delta value, we are already finding the value for delta value is 5. So substitute the value. Delta x is equal to delta x divided by delta, 10 divided by 5, you get the value for 2. Y equal to delta y divided by delta. Delta y value is minus 5 divided by 5, we get the value for minus 1. Delta z equal to delta z divided by delta equal to delta z value is 0, 0 by 5 equal to 0. So the solution is x, y, z equal to 2, minus 1, 0. Next question number 4. So what are the three equations given here? X plus y plus z equal to 6. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 5. 6x minus 2y minus 3z equal to minus 7. So find out the value for delta. How to find out the delta value? Write the coefficient of x, y and z. We get the value for delta, and to simplify this delta, we get the value for minus 33. Next one, this value is return value. This delta value is not equal to 0. Then only you can apply the grammar rule. So we can use the grammar rule to find out the unique solution of the given system of equation. So next one, to find out the delta x value. Delta x value, replace the first column. First column, replace the value for what is the constant given? 6, 5, minus 7. In delta, first column you can replace. Find out the delta x value here, minus 33. And next one, to find out the value for delta y value. Delta y value, replace the second column, 6, 5, minus 7. And to find out the value for delta y value, we get for minus 66. And delta z, can replace the last column. Delta z value what here? Here delta value z is here 6, last column. What is the last column here? 6, 5, minus 7. 6, 5, minus 7. So you can simplify this one. We get the value for minus 99. So x is equal to delta x divided by delta, minus 33 divided by minus 33 equal to 1. Y equal to delta y divided by delta, minus 66 divided by minus 33 equal to 2. Z equal to delta z divided by delta equal to minus 99 divided by minus 33 equal to 3. So we get the solution is x comma y comma z is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Similarly solve the problem for question number 5. Thank you, student.